Hey guys, I finally just figured it out. All I had to do was change something very simple. As you can see, they're in line. And I put display inline block. Alright, one second. Let me get my computer charger. One second. Display inline. All we wanted them in line. We wanted length and line. Anyway. Alright, sorry about that. I completely forgot to get my charger just a few minutes ago. And it was only a few minutes ago. It took me a few minutes to figure it out. About a minute. But first off, I want to thank God for helping me build a website. I'm not quite done with it, but basically the website's for Christians and people that pretty much it's for salvation too. And it's got a sermons link for sermons, and it just got different things on it. It's not up yet, but I have a little bit of work to do. I've been working on it a year, almost a year and a half. Well, actually, I've been working on it almost a year, off and on. But it's been off and on, not completely year round. But God has really helped me with the website. Sometimes you feel like you can just work it out and work the problems out yourself, and you can. And sometimes you push yourself just in vain, trying to get something done, accomplished. And he showed me that. And once I step back sometime and just let him, let him guide me, or just let go, sometimes the problem has fixed itself, and I don't even know how to explain it. And you wouldn't think that's even anyway. All right, let's get back on the website. Display inline block. So now we want this ugly line that's underneath the links to be gone. And basically, that is just text decoration. You put none, and since that text decoration is none, it will take it off. All right, before we save it, let's type something else in. Let's type in text align center. There's one more thing, and I can't think of it. It's how you make it. Since we got a text align center, it's going to be center, but it's not going to be in the hive center. So let's take a little bit off the hive for now. Make it 50 pixels. This is mainly for a desktop. This ain't really for a mobile website, as of like a phone website or on your basically a phone or tablet. This is mainly for like a desktop. A lot of people will put their menus, the links 100% or right at 100% on their mobile web pages. As you know, some websites have two different uh, pages and stuff for mobiles and desktop. All right, let's really get started here because I'm at 4 minutes in and we've changed three things. Got display inline block, text decoration none, text align center. Save that. Go back to your page, refresh, and there you go with that. Let's make the font size, which is the text size of each link, bigger by putting font size 15. Let's go 17 pt. PT is a little bit bigger than pixels. Pixels goes by px. PT is what I like to use. Now let's go to menu links. The div where the menu links are being stored, or the anchors or links or whatever. Menu links. All right, let's float. Float. You can float it center. You can float it right. You can float it left. We're gonna float it center. And if that does not work, we'll just put center tags like we did around. Okay, so we changed the font size as you can see, but it didn't. Wait, let's see. Oh, that's right. So let's go to the anchors. Put the center tags around the anchors. That simple. So what's next? What's next? Just say you don't like the just say you want to make it rounded corners on that. All you have to do is put, now certain browsers are different, but with Mozilla Firefox, and if I'm not mistaken, Google works the same way. Google Chrome, I think Google Chrome, I think it's what I think it works the same. But I'm gonna check even in just a second in Explorer just to see what it looks like. Put border radius. Let's go 7 pixels. Really round those suckers off. Huh. I think I misspelled that. Yep, there we go. As you can see, they're rounded off, somewhat rounded. Now let's go copy your your URL or whatever up in the top. Go to your Internet Explorer, or I'm going to do that. This is what web designers have to do. They have to make sure it's they got to make sure that it's browser friendly with any browser. And let's check it out. See, there ain't nothing wrong with this. Border radius did work like I thought it would. Let's get back. Let's go back over here to your notepad. All right. Now you want what we want now. Let's go with our content. Let's make a div called content, and then in that content we're gonna have a width of 20. Let's go 45 pixel. I'm sorry, percent height of 37. I'm sorry, percent. Let's take that and put also a height of auto on it. I'm not sure. I believe that works where just in case it's over 37%, it will be auto. In other words, I don't want it, just say I put a decent amount of text in it, but not enough to cover 37%. I don't want it, I want it 37% either way. I don't want it to come up at all. But if I just wanted it to cover a certain amount, I would want it to be height auto. Okay, so now let's give it a background color, and then this video, this is going to be it because I'm running out of time here. Of blue. Alright. I'll see you in the next video.